All right, guys, here's your Bitcoin Nightly update. It is Wednesday, February 18th at 6:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is what we were looking at. We said today in the live, we started out in the live this morning looking very bullish. It looked like it wanted to pop up and we looked like we had some room to the upside. However, we found out by the end of the stream that we were slumping over on multiple time frames. The majority of the time frames were slumping over. What does that mean usually? That the move is weak, and that is exactly what happened. The move was weak. We got a little bit of a pop up. We came back down. Here on the 8 hour is where we stand right now. Here are your levels. We do have the 8 hour, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour all still pointing down. However, the 15-minute is trying to pop the 1 hour up. However, there is a bear flag on the 15-minute. That bear flag is actually right here on a lower time frame. If we break that bear flag down, that will bring us right down to this resistance level right here at 65,423. We break this level at 65,423. We are headed to this next support level right here at 64,395. We bleed this level right here, guys. This is also a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder on a higher time frame. If we bleed that down, the target is past this next level. Here's your next level of support right here, guys. If we bleed that level down, we're coming down to 60,075. That is the major support that we have. We also have a wick here. That will tell us that that is actual support. If we do not bounce here, very, very likely that we will come down to some of those lower levels. What are those lower levels, guys? We don't have a ton of support on the lower time frames under this level. We do have around 52K, and then we have around 50,000. If we bleed the $50,000 level, very, very likely that we will try to make a run at one of these levels down here. This level right here at 40,747, or sorry, it is around 39 actually. No, 40,613. I did move the line because we broke out in a different place. That is the breakdown of this entire bear flag right here, guys. Here is the pull right here. Pull. Here is the flag. We broke down right here. That is where you pull the target trend line to, and that is where we will most likely try to run to. Again, we're going to have bounce areas there, guys. It's not going to go straight there. However, we do have this bounce area here at 60,169. If we bounce here, we could double bottom and actually make our way up. What do we have to get above? Here are your levels to the upside. First level to the upside is right here at 69,636. That is the bottom trend line of the bear flag that we have broken down from. Second level is this diagonal trend line right here at 71,770. If we breach this level right here, we do have a target. There is a W pattern here. Here's one peak of the W. Here's the second.